In this video, we are going to demonstrate an inside-out technique to repair a medial meniscus tear. You can see a longitudinal tear of the posterior horn and body of the medial meniscus, which is at the junction of the red-red and red-white zone. As you can see, the tear edges are fairly opposed, and the probe helps us to rule out tears in other planes and define the anatomy of the tear. The next step is to freshen the tear edges, which helps to improve the vascularity of the edges of the meniscus tear, thus helping in augmentation of the healing process. For the repair, we use a curved single lumen meniscus repair cannula passed over a half pipe. The cannula is loaded with a meniscus repair needle threaded with a high tensile suture. The first bite is taken at the meniscocapsular junction. The second bite is taken on the superior surface of the middle third of the meniscus. The two ends are pulled, which helps in the reduction of the tear. This gives us an idea of how many more sutures might be needed. The second suture is similarly taken from above the meniscus. As you will see in the video ahead, the first bite is taken either above or below the meniscus to correct the meniscal flounce as needed. The third suture is taken at the posterior horn and from under the meniscus. And here is the fourth, taken from above the meniscus. It is important to check for adequate balance in reduction and also correct the flounce as much as possible with every suture taken. Here you can see the first bite is taken from under the meniscus at the meniscocapsular junction, and the second bite from the inferior surface of the meniscus. Adequate reduction is confirmed. The sutures are then fixed with sliding knots. Some over-reduction is always preferred to oppose the healing surfaces over leaving sutures loose in order to see a well-reduced suture. The rest of the posterior horn is repaired with two more vertical mattress sutures. Coming to the body of the meniscus, similar steps are followed, starting on top of the meniscus at the meniscocapsular junction, followed by a second bite on the superior surface of the middle third of the meniscus. The second suture is taken in similar fashion. These sutures are then fixed. Two more sutures are taken to complete our medial meniscus repair.